OnePlus 70 Pro Mclaren version 5G smartphone. It is a global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications, including Google Play Store. Here are all the language menus it supports. Global language menus support. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it Globalsend. We have almost 10 years of Globalsend and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. Okay, let's continue to review the smartphone. It is a 6.67 inch Fluid AMOLED LED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 516 ppi density. It's from AMOLED glasses, are 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. Its resolution is 3120 pixels by 1440 pixels. Supports DCI-P3 100% and HDR10+. Its screen refresh rate is 90 Hz and 10.0 of Android operating system. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, 7nm CPU, octa-core 2.96 GHz. Memory is 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, UFS 3.0. It has 4 cameras. Main cameras are triple camera, 48 megapixel f1.6 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture with dual LED flashlight. Its front camera is motorized point up, 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Let me show it to you. Let me show you the main camera's details. We can see the details is super clearly. And its battery built-in is 4085 mAh battery built-in. Supports 5V 6A 30W fast battery charging. Its fingerprint is under the display. 3.1 Type-C USB port. NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.0. The phone is only one color. And split orange color, only one color. Okay. It supports dual nano SIM card. Dual nano SIM card. Here are all the language menus it supports. Global. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. This is a color box.